Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review. As you can see here, this box that it came in, it's pretty savvy looking, luxurious. So I got the smartwatch opened up, and it's very light, lightweight watch here. I'm really impressed with the finishes. So I'm going to open this other box up. It's got the charger in here, as you can see. Plugs in. I don't use those words, but it looks like it's a really sharp looking watch from the outside. The way they packaged it looks like a $500 watch, in my opinion. A robust feeling on the hand, and of course, got the stainless steel is the main reason on the outside there, all the way around actually, and within that sensor. So I'm loving this, the look of this face of this watch. It's really sharp for this price, $100. It's like a $500 luxury watch or more. Superior finish, stainless steel. I would have thought this would have cost more. I thought it was a scam at first, but it finally got here, and this is one I'm going to be wearing a lot. Okay, so I'm going to sync it up with one of the apps. I think there's a couple different apps you can sync it with. Like I said, just too many features with this watch. I have to do a follow-up video. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. And thanks again, subscribe.